My friends, today we're going to discuss the logical operators in C. So let's get started. Let me open up this editor, and as you can see, I have created this file ex25 underscore and operator.c, and I have also added this expressions or these statements ahead of time. So let's start with the logical operators. So logical operators, the AND, OR, and NOT are used to form a compound Boolean expression that tests multiple conditions. So this one, the NOT operator, is used to reverse the state of a Boolean expression. So again, we're going to use this. This is equivalent to AND, and then this double pipe is the OR, and then the exclamation is a NOT operator. So let me just comment this out, and I have here the example on how to use the AND operator. So the logical AND operator, we uses this symbol and double ampersand, returns a true result only when both expressions are true. So this first expression is tested if it's true, and this another expression, or this expression, should also be true in order for this expression to be true, and this resulting to the statement to be printed out. So while the OR, we will have a separate session for the OR, but just give you a little understanding of OR. Or either expression, if one expression is true, then this will be printed out. That's for the OR. But for the AND, both expressions should be true in order for this to be run. So again, both expressions should be true for the AND operator. So this statement joins just two expressions. The first one, x is greater than 0 and x is less than or equal to 100. But logical operators can be used to join multiple expressions. So we can have another expression in here, we can add more. A compound Boolean expression is evaluated from left to right. So starting from left, then head on to the right. Evaluation stops when no further test is needed for determining the result. So be sure to consider the arrangement of operands when one result affects the outcome of a later result. So this is how you properly use it. If for the OR, both expressions should be true, first and the second. So AND, first and the second. So again, the AND represented by the 2 ampersand. So that's the AND operator. So before we wrap up, let's test your knowledge. I have here a little exercise for you in this tab, and I want you to fill in the blanks to print this, to print yes. If x is a non-negative number and less than 100. So I want you to fill in the missing piece of information in this code. If you know the answer, please put it in the comments section below. Thank you.